Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to reinstall your current version of Windows Update on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you need to open the Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings, here in the system, in the right panel, scroll down and find out a recovery option like this, and here you can get the option reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps file and setting will be preserved. Okay, if you want to reinstall your current version of your Windows, just click on reinstall now from here. So it will fix the problem of Windows update by reinstalling. If you are facing any kind of problem after updating the Windows, so at that time only you can try this method. Okay, so that's it today guys, a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.